In this short video tutorial, we'll learn how to ask the user to enter some value from the keyboard and read that value in your C# program and then use it in your C# program. So let's say we have a string variable str and it contains an empty string. So we want the user to enter some value from the keyboard. Let's say we ask the user to enter his or her name or the name of the country so that we can read that value and store it in the string variable str. Now to read some input from the keyboard, we will be making use of the readLine function given to us by the console class. This readLine function takes no inputs from us, but it will give us back the string that the user has entered from the keyboard. You need to remember that the readLine function will treat all the inputs as strings. Even if the user enters number 123 from the keyboard, the readLine function will still treat that input as a string. It will not treat it as an integer. So if you want to use it as an integer, you will have to convert it into an integer. So let's run this program and see if we get the desired result. So when we run this line, notice that the variable str has an empty string. So let's run this line. Let me put a breakpoint here also. So now that we have executed this line, console.readLine, this console window is waiting for me to enter some input. So let's say I enter an input India and I hit enter from my keyboard. So when I hit enter, notice that the console.readLine function has accepted that input as a string and it has saved it in the str variable which we created in our program. So notice that this value India has been accepted in double quotes, which means that it's a string value. So let me stop this program and let me run this program again. And this time we will enter a numeric value. So let's say we enter a value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we hit enter. Notice that the string variable has got the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it has not received this value as an integer value. It has received this value as a string, which you can tell from the double quotes surrounding the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the console.readLine function will help you read values from the keyboard, but it will treat all the values that we input from the keyboard as strings, and it is your job to then convert those string values into proper data types before using them in your C# program. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. For more free C# learning content, please visit openeschool.com/learn C#. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we add. Thank you.